Welcome back. We've got two special guests joining us this morning. I have, of course, Montana here, beautiful dog that's looking for a new home, and a new representative here with us with the SEK Humane Society, Kelsey Keeney.
Yeah, nice
Thanks
to
for coming
meet
in.
you.
Yeah. Okay, so Montana's actually been here before.
Yes.
Yes, so this is something that's actually kind of sad. We need to make sure that that doesn't happen, and Montana has a good forever home to go to. Why don't you tell us about him?
Yes, so he is an 8-year-old Australian cattle dog mix. He doesn't do well with other cats, so we'll have to go to a home with no felines. He does well with other dogs. We just need to do a meet and greet first. But other than that, he's a great guy. He loves to go on hikes, on nature trails, loves to go running, and then to just kind of snuggle up on a couch afterwards.
Now, you guys have had him at several events.
Oh yeah, he has been to multiple PetSense adoption events, so he's very great with new people. He does great with families with small children and all of that.
Mm-hmm. A very friendly dog.
Very
friendly.
Yeah.
Just not cat friendly.
Yes, yes. He's a very sweet boy, just no cats.
Okay. Now, you guys are offering through the month of August reduced rates for adopting.
Yeah, so thanks to NBC's Clear the Shelters, we're doing reduced prices for our large dogs. So it's $30 instead of the regular $65, and that is just for the month of August. And then actually, not this upcoming weekend, but the 26th through the 28th, we will be waiving all dog and cat adoption fees completely.
How are you guys able to do that?
Yeah, so that is also thanks to Clear the Shelters.
Okay. So you guys get sponsors and whatnot to help with that?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And I'm sure you guys are always looking for volunteers, and do you want to talk about the process of how you go about doing that?
Yeah, so if you want, it's as easy as just calling, emailing, or just showing up in person, just filling out a volunteer form, and we'll have you walk dogs, help with the cleaning process, really just anything you're willing to help out with.
Okay, there is a little bit of an age restriction on what you can do, though, right?
If you are under the age of 18, you'll just have to have a parent or guardian with you at all times.
Okay, well that's simple enough. Yeah. Now recently you guys took in some beagles that came from like a nationwide seizure type thing, facility in Virginia, I understand.
Yes, so we got 4 adults, and then we have 4 puppies as well. We have 2 adult females and then 2 adult males, and all 4 of the puppies are females.
Are they ready for adoption now, or will they?
Yes, so they're not quite ready yet. They still need spayed and neutered first, but we're thinking here in the next 3 weeks or so, after they get spayed and neutered, and then after their week process afterwards, they will be available then. We're not taking applications at this time, so if you just want to wait that 3-week period and then fill out the application online, then we'll do a first come, first serve process.
Mm-hmm. So if you're looking for a beagle, you know where to find one, for sure. But you guys have lots of dogs and cats.
Oh yeah. Yes, so we have a lot of kittens right now. We have 5 up at PetSense currently, and then we're pretty stocked up on large dogs. We don't have a whole lot of small ones besides those beagles, but if you are looking for large dogs, we're definitely the place to go to.
Montana's hiding back there. Come here. Come over here.
You're okay. Come on. Come here. Come on.
Come on up here.
Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Good puppy.
Good boy.
Puppy. Aw.
You're all right.
And you guys are still getting ready for your big event coming up in, is it October, Bark in the Park?
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Yep.
So we'll have details. I keep mentioning it every time you guys come on. Get people excited about it because it'll be fun to have it return. Okay, if you don't mind sticking around for our Fox show, we'd love to have you back on.
Absolutely.
Can you do that for us, Montana? Of course you can. All right, we'll go ahead and go to break, and we'll return and have you guys back on our KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. We'll be right back.